Hey guys, it's Kim Fuzzy here. I just woke up, let's say 2 hours ago, and though this is a shirt. Yeah, I was in Singapore a few months ago, in December actually. But it's that time of the month again for Loot Crate. When I opened my door, I saw two of them. I'm like, are they from the same month? Or what's going on? So it's like, if you don't put them together, it actually makes one. So I'm gonna put the first one, turn around. Just like so. So sorry about that. I have to look for the thing for this. I think it says Warriors on it. I that. Issue 7, 2014. February, obviously. But I think I doubled up by accident, so I got double the stuff. Or I did, because I, signed up, re-subscription my thing, so I don't have to do it later in March. But I think I got both of them by accident. Let's see what's in there. First is this Dunny Sideshow figurine. It's like that. I actually opened the other one and I found out it was actually the same things. Not the same things, but you can get different shirts and that. I have to open this up. Come on. I have scissors handy. So, I have no idea actually what these are. Teachers. Ooh, I got Level. Put on my iPad. Oh, I got two. Oh, I think it's like a sports thing. Yeah, it is a sports thing because it has like a name shirt on the back. If you get the playing card. And with this one, you get a helmet. Not all of them are like that. I think it's just this one. I thought it was two for a second there. So, you just... The holes are for you. Whoa! Let me just... Come on. And, like so. Good and pretty cool and scary at the same time. So, yeah. Next, we got a pin. This is Loot Crate 2014 Warriors. That's what it is. That's what's it. It's like, at the other one. Then, ooh, it's a nice bow tie. Black geek bow tie. Has a little kitty face on it. Where's it? And polka dots. I'm not gonna put it on. Looks cool. So it's like, oh. That is actually gonna be pretty cool. Or it's a bow. You know, maybe wears a bow. Next, oh, nice. I never actually got a shirt for it. This is the first time. Oh, that is so cool. This shirt looks like this. That is actually kind of pretty cool. I hope it actually fits me. So yeah. That is actually kind of cool. There's like Mario on it. Some people I don't know actually. Oh, it's actually the alphabet. I just realized it now. Whoops. Pretty cool. Oh, the box is falling almost. Next is a sticker. Who is this? Harlot. From Bravest Warriors from Cartoon Hangover. A sticker. Apparently it says, "You do not eat this delicious green card. Instead, go to the secret URL below to get a free Open Me membership on Great." Look at that effort. Next we have a Bravest Warriors. Ooh, we get a free digital comic. That's cool. So psyched. Excuse me. Ooh, and next, because it was Valentine's Day, it's February, I got a neat heart. That's so cool. I love you more than bacon. Oh, it is bacon. Open Me, designed by Don Van Bolt. That was so cute. The next is a bag. Ooh, okay. A bag. It says gas power stick. Has you know, as bags. I was actually one of these bags. That's actually pretty cool. So yeah, the second one, I actually think is the same stuff, actually. Sorry, I was putting everything like that. So the second one, I have to open this again. Yeah, it actually is the same one. I wonder if it's the same person. Note this up. Don't actually resubscribe until somebody she gets there. Yeah. Ooh, I got a gerbil. Sometimes a gerbil. Gerb. It's an eagle in her face. It's Dunny. It's supposed to look like that. Well, the next actually is the same shirt, same buttons, same slash bow tie. Where's she gonna go? Dashboard bow tie. Yeah, it is a bow tie. That's all. See, that's bow tie. One more. Alphabet t-shirt. That's what it is. And as you go, then you get a pin, as I showed you. Then you get a Dunny Chacha or Bob Blind box figure. The GPS chin bag, which you can put yourself in the box as well. And Bacon Love Card. Then the Brave Warriors digital comic. And Brave Warriors stickers. Well, sticker. You get stickers. You got the shirt. Oh, there's a different sticker design. The D-shirt shape. Festival. Then another one. That's about it. I just realized that. Oopsies. So yeah, like and comment. you can, if you live in like Australia with me, like me, you can only do once a month. But if you're in America, you can do like a month, 3 months, then 6 months. A lot of people do 3 months, which I actually like to do, but only because in the last few months they've done to like Australia, Canada, and England. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Like and comment. Sorry I haven't been on. Also, I didn't do a QA video because no one actually commented or asked me questions. So yeah, bye!